here is the Eek app. So let's just take a look at it. So here is the Eek app, and it's get interaction. So see his latest follows, get notified when he follows, see who he followed, track your account growth and better understand your audience's powerful follower analytics and growth tracker helps you monitor your followers, identify unfollowers, and analyze changes over time in simple and intuitive way. Track follower growth and losses, identify users who unfollowed you, view scan history and account activity, clean, fast, and easy to use interface. And then you can just see the details. Basically, you can just track your friends in here. So I don't know, how legit it. So for example, if I wanna track just my Instagram account, you can see the details, and then you can see that it's not free. It says it's fully scannable. And then you can see you can scan any public account. Private accounts you follow can also be scanned. Unlock tracking, so weekly $6 per week or monthly $10 per month. Just it's not possible to use it for free. So you can see here the pricing. See the new accounts your friends started following, ghost followers and secret admirers. Full timeline history per person, track multiple people at once. 100% safe anonymous, full history, track multiple people. And then you can just see how it works.